Okay, part two after the fall of the great Eddie, and I hit myself against that concrete bench. I wasn't paying attention to where I was walking. Fortunately, I did not destroy the camera here, so we continue here in 4K part two. The first one didn't get to be 8 minutes long. It's life. So you have a lot of restaurants here. If you are, whether you are an old expat, look, the curry lounge, the vat, India food and all of that. Hi, how are you? And they have good namaste food here, authentic Indian cuisine, but it's not open at this time. And there go the Indian flags right there. Bye bye. Bye. And very nice people, and they got other restaurants here. And if you want to hear some salsa, they're playing some salsa. They got a lot of restaurants here, and I was trying to say, if you are an expat, older or younger, and you like this kind of vibe because everything is close by, walkable, this is for you. In warm weather, this is for you. Temperatures here hover in terms of maximum highs here in the Laureles area of Medellin, anywhere from, sometimes the highest could be just 22 degrees, 21 at some times of the year when it's kind of like cold down here, and other highs could go up to as much as 31 degrees Celsius. And the lows usually hover around 15 to 16 degrees Celsius at night. Sometimes it might go down to maybe 14, maybe. Hi, how are you? Buenas, ¿cómo va? Bien? Good, excellent. And if you're going to be living here, you can have this place where they have fabrics and design. This is called Diego Ramirez. I remember I bought some fabrics here many years ago to reupholster my furniture, my living room furniture, and it is a very nice place. They got very nice fabrics. Hola, ¿cómo le va? Bien, bien. And they have very nice fabrics if you want to use them for whatever, for furniture or for curtains, all stuff like that. And I got it a long time ago. They've been here for, I got it back in like 2004, 2005. We got other restaurants up there, Area 11, La Baguette. Well, that is hurting a little more. I hit my shin. Okay. Oh, and I cracked a little bit. No, that crack was there before on the camera. I think there's a fall I had somewhere in India and Nepal when I was filming something. So there are a lot of housing options around here. You will find them on booking.com or Airbnb if you want to have a nice rental here somewhere. And where are we at? Minute 3 something right now. So they have a lot of places that you can. This is Avenida Nutibara Avenue, and there are plenty of foreigners, expats around here, travelers, everything. Just be careful when you're crossing. Wait for the crosswalk sign to light up and make sure that everybody stops, because sometimes people will jump the gun and you might get hit. Got the Juan Valdez coffee shops right over there, or the international competition, which is Starbucks right over there. Plenty of restaurants. This is Mexican right here. This is called Milagros, Miracles, a Mexican food restaurant with Frida Kahlo over there. I don't know where her husband Diego is. Of course, they're all gone now. Japanese food, cherry blossoms, not the gin blossoms. It's only around 11 a.m. at this moment, so things are just getting ready for the lunch hour. This is another restaurant. I used to come around here a lot before this place blew up back in the 90s, like 96, 97, 98, 99, and it was way less developed in terms of all the stuff. They have another laundry here called Happy Laundry, you know, where you could come and do your laundry, because wherever you're staying, maybe they don't have a washing facility for your clothing. And there are plenty of hotels in this area. You can literally come without having made a reservation for a hotel or Airbnb or booking.com. This is second Parque Laureles. And then if we go this way, we see that we have more restaurants, more places like that hotel there. It's a hotel as well. It's called Armónico with a K, Armónico. This is another hotel. It's called Intu, I-N-N-T-U Hotel. And representing the Colombian businessman on the run right here. Pretty cool. The Paisa or the Bogotano. And more restaurants, more places where you can stay. They got, that building is new, so probably, and they got another Indian restaurant over here called Naan, but it doesn't have anything vegetarian. And they got that big tall building, that's very recent. So is this one, hotel. It's called Living Hotel Boutique. This place over here, if you enjoy live music, like the salsa cubana, Cuban salsa, they have live music here on the weekend. Usually they promote it, they advertise it here. La Bodeguita, the little bodega, the little shop. La Bodeguita Habanera, and it's all Cuban style. ¿Cada cuántos que hacen música aquí en vivo, por favor?
Jueves, viernes y sábado.
Jueves, viernes y sábados. ¿Y a qué horas empiezan más o menos?
De 8 a 10.
De 8 a 10 de la noche. Ah, bueno, gracias, hombre. Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays, they have live music here, 8 to 10 p.m. Y todo eso son cubanos, ¿no?
Son cubanos, baladas, boleros cubanos.
Ah, ok, son cubanos, baladas y boleros cubanos también. Gracias. So they got that style of music here. Son cubano, boleros, and baladas cubanas as well, ballads, Cuban ballads. And I speak Spanish fluently, it's my second language. Look at this wall with all the little old tapes. This is like a little place to drink. Hola, ¿cómo están? Esto es como una licorerita o una tienda. ¿Qué es esto? Yo ni sé. Un barcito. Okay, gracias. This is like a little bar, and they got that little nostalgia here with the old cassette tapes. Aquella época cuando uno grababa música en esas cosas de la radio así, pero bueno, estamos en otras épocas ya. And this restaurant is called Guadalupe. There's usually a line of people to come into this restaurant around 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. on a Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. And they have another place. We got a lot of living places here where you can stay, accommodation. You can find them. This is famous with a lot of people. Chef Burger. They got a couple of shops and very green right there, refreshing. And I'm going to show you one more place before we run out of time. Yeah, we're running out of time right about now. This cafe is called Cafe Zeppelin. Cafe Zeppelin here. I recommend it. And that's it for now. Until next time, see you in the comments section or somewhere.